health and well-being, packing a healthy school bag. In the peaceful town of Learningville, our protagonist, a spirited 7-year-old named Lily, was getting ready for an exciting new day. The soft morning sun streamed through her window, casting warm rays on the vibrant school bag lying next to her bed. Lily began to pack her school bag, her eyes sparkling with curiosity. She carefully considered each item she placed inside, from books and pencils to items that would help her stay healthy and focused throughout the day. First was a tall, refreshing glass of water, perfect for keeping her mind sharp during lessons. Next, she picked up a crunchy, nutritious apple, which would give her energy to last all day long. Lily then reached for her lunchbox, filled with a yummy, balanced meal, a whole grain sandwich, carrot sticks, and a handful of nuts. These would give her the energy she needed to play during recess and focus on learning after. Next, she grabbed her warm coat. It was going to be a chilly day at school. She also packed a cozy hat, gloves, and a scarf to keep herself comfortable. For emergencies, she added a small first aid kit just in case. Lily didn't forget her school supplies either. Notebooks, pencils, erasers, a calculator, and even an ergonomic pillow to support good posture during long study sessions. After school, she wanted to make sure she had time for physical activity too. So, she packed her yoga mat and exercise ball, perfect for staying active during recess or after school hours. Last but not least, she placed her favorite book in her bag. A great way to relax during quiet time or even during lunch. With her teddy bear by her side, Lily felt ready to face the school day with confidence and joy. Lily closed her school bag with a satisfied smile, knowing she had packed everything she needed for a successful day. She was ready to learn, play, and grow in the wonderful world of Learningville. As she walked to school, Lily chatted with her friends about their plans for the day, playing games during recess, exploring new books in the library, and learning from their kind teacher. When she finally arrived at school, Lily put her bag in her locker and walked to her classroom. As she sat down at her desk, she felt energized and ready to learn. She helped her classmates with their math problems, making new friends along the way. At the end of the day, Lily was proud of herself for choosing healthy snacks, essential items, and learning materials. She made new friends, had fun during recess, and learned something new every hour. As she walked home, feeling accomplished, she knew that every day in Learningville would be a wonderful adventure.